HRJ Racing Show! I'm your host Harry.
Richard.
Yes, and we're off driving to location as we speak. It's happening live, happening real, happening now.
And what are we doing on this exciting episode, Harry?
Yes, on this exciting episode we're doing float planing, or RC float planes. We're going to go on. A friend of ours, a good friend of ours, shout out to him, is we're going to meet him in a second. Jay, and he's just retrofitted some floats underneath this plane. We're going together. We're going to go and fly out there. Hopefully get some good shots. Hopefully it looks good.
And we're going to go to a location.
Hopefully it flies well because it's maiden voyage with those on. So.
And it's a location that we used previously. So click the link to see that video.
Yeah, just the link above. Yeah, and what can we tell you? Overnight we added some flotation aids to ours to match Jay's. So if it does something sadly goes astray, we can go and retrieve it. And we also have a life-saving device behind us, a big giant popcorn for that.
We do.
So we came prepared, charged up all the batteries. Anything else?
What films have floatplane?
Expendables.
Expendables? Yeah.
And Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
At the start of Indiana Jones. Yes. Very cool, very cool. Great movies. I think it's the first one.
The first one.
Yes. So yes, very cool guys out there doing float planing as well.
One time we went to, me and Harry went on a real float plane.
Yes. Over Taupo, and this is in New Zealand because that's where we live in New Zealand. Yes, we came in and we touched down on the water. So hopefully we get perfect touchdowns today. Good luck, Jay. And
we're going to be tracking him or following behind him as the cameraman.
Yes. Camera teams. So
somebody has to be the cameraman, and this one we are.
Yes. Okay, so hopefully we get some great footage and we'll bring it to you shortly. And the episode will commence in 3, 2, 1, go! HRJ Racing, HRJ Racing, HRJ Racing! Yeah! You ready, Richard?
Yep.
Alright, he's ready. Jay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's on.
It's on like Donkey Kong. Alright, good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Richard. You got DVR going? GoPro's going, eh?
Yep.
Oh, thank you. Still making that weird sound. Okay, well, hopefully it's okay. Okay. Hey, good luck, Jay. It's all you, man.
I just know what level is.
Your level? Hey, good luck, guys. You're in the water.
What happened?
No. Oh, it's cold.
We need this on film.
Hey.
The ladies would love it.
Here you go. Yeah, go. Yeah. Okay, you all clear, Richard? Nobody around? You all good, Richard?
You're all good. Oh, good, yeah.
Nice one, guys. Nice one, guys. Richard, you all good? Jay, you look great. Yep. Looking great in the air, guys. Looks great with those boats there, eh? I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. I don't know when it says 2 minutes. Yeah, so Jay's low, Richard. He's kind of below you, if anything. Yeah, if you go around to your left, Richard, you can be able to see him. He's in front of us, Richard. He's in front of us. Right in front. Perfect.
Okay, I'll come in and we'll swap that battery over, eh?
If you say so, okay.
What do you think?
What's it up to?
3 minutes?
Okay, do another minute then. Perfect, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna land down one then.
Oh, look at that.
Touch and go.
Hey, bonus points.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut the throttle and do a landing. Okay. Way out here. It's okay. You're just gonna land now? Yeah.
Okay, Richard, you come in too.
Wait for his landing. Okay, point out. Coming in.
Nice one, guys. Okay, Jay, I can still see you, so you're okay.
Oh, where should I land? Back on the grass?
Jay, you're facing towards us now. Richard, come back towards us.
On the grass?
Yeah, go back to the onto the road there. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, nearly done. Yeah, all recorded. Awesome, dude.
Hey. Hey, when you're ready, Jay. You're clear, Harry. Yeah, good height, guys. Round you come. You're good height. Nice one, Jay.
Which way are you going, Jay? Right hand turn. It's amazing.
Yeah, nice, Jay. Well done. Nice, Harry. I just focus on the plane itself, yeah? Nice one, guys. So right hand turn. That's sick. That's a good speed, guys. Match that. Keep that distance. Okay, when are you going to turn, Jay? Okay, he's turning now. Okay, round he comes. The landing approach. So here he comes. Oh, well done. They overshoot, Harry. Good to go. Nice one, Jay. Here he comes. Harry's in pursuit. Jay's in the front. So you're coming in for a landing. Landing approach. Is that us? Yeah, just orbiting.
Great for the Sunday.
What's the time? Okay. Okay, coming back in. What I did is I follow that. Oh yeah, you're going to go over the top. Okay, you're clear on the clear on the road. Yeah, right.
Oh, I love that. That's great.
Yeah, you're off. Okay, Harry's off there. What do you think? Any thoughts? Memoirs?
I'd like to see if I can go inverted.
Inverted, you reckon? So what are you doing now? Just about to go again, 16.7. Let's check that again.
Yeah, I checked it recently.
Oh, okay.
Quite recently, in fact.
That one looks like it's charged. Let's get to pop that one on the bottom. What have we done with the, this is a different, you notice this is a different drone than we had in the intro.
Yeah.
The other one kind of went in the lake.
That's okay. It's fine.
It's fine. It's just
We waterproofed it, so it's fine. It's still functional. Okay, here he comes. He's standing up his approach. There he comes. That's fine.
You gotta commit anyway.
Yeah, no, it's good. Okay, bug out, Aaron, land. Hey, Jade's walking over to his plane, eh? Hey, up you go. Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Great, eh?
No real damage. Failed sleep.
Nothing.
What an experience. Oh, I love that.
That's cool, man.
Cool
Thank
day.
you.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Hey, welcome back to the H&R Drone Racing Show. Ending sequence. Ending sequence commences now. What was your thoughts, I thought that the floatplane was excellent. I thought Jay handled it exceptional, considering that was his first flight like that. So, and it was good that there was no wind, so you could take off and land in any direction. There was a bit of when the plane's actually flying through the air, the floats, they do act like a bit of drag there, but I think he accommodated well. And sometimes there's a little bit of, I guess you could call it like, sometimes to pull off the water, it's a bit more of a hydrostatic attraction right there. You require a bit more thrust and a little bit more aggression. Yes. So I think he did well, and we're happy with it. We got some good footage, hopefully. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We don't know until we check the camera. We did get the drone back, if you were wondering. It did go on the drink, but that's okay. Check all waterproof, we've already done that, got all that. H&R Drone Racing secret. And yeah, so, well, you might know that secret, do you? But anyway, yes, so, you know, that's where you put the floats on when you're flying over water. There you go. It's the number one tip for you out there today. Put floats on anything when you're flying over the water. So there you go. And you never have a problem? No. I didn't even have to swim that far. It was only just a step up to about midway. And what can I tell you? We'll see each other next week on the exciting episode of the H&R Drone Racing Show. Like, subscribe. Yes. Check out our shorts. Sometimes we go live. And and we'll see what else we got on our post. Sometimes we post in the community tab. Yes, then we'll see each other next week. You ready? Yes. Down or off. Okay, in 3, a 2, a 1, go! H-Charger Racing, H-Charger Racing, H-Charger Racing, yeah!